What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back into Disney's Hollywood Studios today for a little Star Wars and Toy Story Land construction update, or anything else that we happen to see along the way, but let's head inside and check it all out. And there was literally no way to get in. We're heading over first to Star Wars. It doesn't matter where you go at Disney's Hollywood Studios, you are bound to see a crane, and this one right over here is pretty prominent everywhere in the park. We're getting our first view now of Star Wars construction. We can see the rebar and concrete forms right here rising into the air. There are still a bunch of stakes all over the place, and more forms just off to the side over here. We are going to get a better view in just a second, but this is our view from Pizza Rizzo's. At the exit of Muppets 3D, nothing else has changed, and we can still see the wall lines the entire area. No cranes in sight over here, at least. Near the entrance to Muppets 3D, the wall goes all the way down here, and we also can get a view of that large crane in the air, one of them at least, and some of that steel peeking out just above the wall line. And here is our better view. From the exit of Star Tours, we can see all those forms rising into the air, and they are massive. And then we see more rebar off to the side over here for more projects. But so far, this is pretty impressive. Considering our last update, they were just starting out. We have some steel in the air, along with a ton of cranes all over the site. But good progress here for Star Wars Land.
Prior to boarding, droids and domesticated creatures must be cleared by customs. Thank you for your cooperation.
Star Tours is pleased to announce its inaugural flights to a great city planet, Coruscant. Sign up for a post-production tour of the Imperial Saga and watch the Guardians of Peace and Justice in action.
I'm getting a message from Lost and Found.
Right? I guess we're coming. I have no idea. I guess we're just playing.
You look into it.
It's just one. Thank you.
PT, please have any?
Prepare for immediate boarding.
That's Lightyear 1. I was watching your score. You got 100,000. What? That's my story. Things that I get competitive. I know, right?
Alrighty guys, so we just got off of Star Tours, and normally I wouldn't film this segment, but I just got a totally different ride. Out of all the times I've ridden, probably over 100 plus times, this was an entirely different scene. We had basically where we went to the Wookiee planet, and then after the Wookiee planet there was a battle in space, and I've seen the other battle, and then the last one, of course, we landed in the city. Out of all the times, that's the first time for me, so definitely a neat experience, and it's constantly changing here.
Do not interfere.
I let go of my fear. And now that it has no power over me,
I like it here. Look how far it is. On the right outside of I've never seen this.
No! You are not as strong as you think you are.
oh, I think we are.
Students, raise your hands. Let the force flow through you.
Yes! Oh, yes, we did it! Oh, we did on the dark side. Okay.
Stay calm. You don't win that easily.
I think we just need
Students, the dark side will always be there to tempt us. Never.
What?
You must always stay on your guard. Everyone, the force is strong as all of you. Raise your hands. The sample goes to you now. On three. 1, 2, 3, Neverest.
It's all yours, bounty hunter.
You can run, but you can't hide.
Destiny.
All remaining systems will bow to the last order.
It seems we have a deserter. One of our troops has abandoned his unit.
Show me again the power of the darkness. But I will let nothing stand in our way.
And right here on the backside of the Great Movie Ride, we have an ad for Pirates of the Caribbean Dead Men Tell No Tales, coming out on May 26th. And as always, they have something really cool here at Hollywood Studios, One Man's Dream. And we're going to get a chance to preview the film today. As we can see right here, that is available. Now, not only just that, we have something else that's going on. And let me show you. Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 Meetup, where we can meet Starlord and Groot.
Hey guys, we're gonna meet Starlord and Groot right this way. It's gonna take you about 30-35 minutes or so.
Open to our sneak preview, or our preview of Pirates of the Caribbean.
This is probably one of the coolest things I've seen in a while. The Trident of Poseidon, and it's from the new Pirates of the Caribbean film, Dead Men Tell No Tales. And I think it's going to play a predominant role in the film. But then, check this out. We have a costume here, worn by one of the main characters. And here's a photo of that gentleman in this costume, Captain Salazar. And then off to the side over here, we have some wraps on the doors advertising the new film, but we get a preview here in just a second.
Now the Walt Disney Company proudly presents our sneak peek preview, Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Men Tell No Tales.
Time to head over to Pixar Land, and we can see the cranes directly above the sign. We know there's a bunch of construction already happening here. Let's go take a look. Toy Story Midway Mania has a 40-minute standby, which is not horrible, but it's not great. But we are here for something else. Construction. Alright, so we're over here at Toy Story Land, and the first thing that we notice is this giant berm right here with all this dirt, and it extends down over here. There's some cranes over in this area, but then we can get an awesome view back towards Star Tours of that same construction, some of those concrete forms and rebar right there and there, for what we believe will be buildings, and more right there as well. So yeah, it's finally starting to rise into the air. We can see it over here at the end of Toy Story Midway Mania's area. And then back over this way, we can see another crane in the air, and this one's not as tall, but it's been doing all the work for the Slinky Dog coaster, which has a bunch of track in place now. Station is coming along as well. Unfortunately, we just can't see it. It's another beautiful day here at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and we are making our way now towards Rock and Roller Coaster. Man, I can't wait to check into the Hollywood Tower Hotel. Let's see how long the wait time is. 2 hours. Yeah, that's a nope. Personally, I'd rather use my Fast Pass because that's already reserved and we can get right on the ride. Standby is currently 60 minutes. We are heading right over to the Fast Pass one right now.
Packages that won't fit at your feet. You should leave them with someone who's not right. Oh yeah, and any passengers in wheelchairs must transfer to a limo train to join this adventure. Well, I think that about covers it. Thanks for the business, and the fun's just ahead. Rock on.
As courtesy to our band, please no flash photography. Once again, welcome to G4 Records and enjoy your tour.
124 Apple, the car on the camera, take 1 mark.
Playback, background, action!
Well, guys, that is going to do it for another Disney's Hollywood Studios construction update. And as we saw, Star Wars Land has a bunch of rebar and concrete forms in the air for buildings, and it's looking very, very nice. Toy Story Land, well, we can't see a whole bunch except for just a little bit of steel and some of those berms, of course. We'll keep you updated on that. One Man's Dream is now playing Pirates of the Caribbean Dead Men Tell No Tales preview, and I actually really liked it. And also, we can meet Starlord and Groot inside there as well. We're going to do more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.